This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a rear seat entertainment system, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, OnStar, adjustable driver pedals, and XM satellite radio which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
5-Star Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 6618 Northeast Loop 820 at Roof Snow in North Richland Hills.